Okay, this problem wants us to sketch a graph of the given function, which is k of t. Now, k of t equals -2 to the -t plus 1, and that might look a little scary or confusing at first, but maybe we can break this down with a couple of the techniques we learned with our reflections and our shifts. So I'm going to start out by just writing this as f of t equals 2 to the t. And I'm going to draw that right here. And that, excuse me, just looks like this. Okay, so now what if I do a horizontal reflection on that, right? So horizontal reflections are when we plug in the negative value of the variable. So f of -t would equal 2 to the -t, right? So that's going to give us something that looks like this. Okay, so far so good. Now let's do a vertical reflection. So we're going to say that negative f of -t, right? Negative f of -t, because we're including a vertical reflection after we've already done the horizontal reflection. That would give us -2 to the -t. And that is going to look something like this, right? So just flip 2 over the x-axis. So top becomes bottom. And that looks like this, and we'll call this 3. Now, the only thing that's left to do here was to add this vertical shift up 1. So now if f or negative f of -t plus 1 equals -2 to the -t plus 1, that means we would just scoot that graph that we drew for 3 up here like this, vertically up 1, and this is equal to k of t equals -2 minus t plus 1.